As I told you, next we are going to see the progressive tense or the simple present continuous tense. Okay, simple continuous tense. So, present continuous tense or progressive tense we are going to see. That is the usage of the progressive present tense or the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. This can also be called as the progressive tense. Okay, we have 4 different usages for these. The first one is verb of perception. Perception means what? Perception means seeing, that is verbs of seeing, that is whichever verb talks about seeing. Seeing or perceiving can be even knowing the taste of something or knowing the touch, the sense of something and all that. Okay, perceiving something, that is taste or seeing something or listening something. Okay, let us see example. See, taste, smell. Hear. Okay, we will just see some sentences like here for these continuous tense will not be used. Okay, it is uses means will not be, that is present continuous tense where does not come or where it is not used. For example, I am seeing a beautiful picture, we do not say. Okay. I am tasting this pudding or I am smelling this flower or I am hearing a noise or I am preferring to drink tea than coffee, we do not say. So, all these verbs we do not use the present continuous tense. Okay. All these verbs we do not use. Okay. Present continuous tense does not come in the verb of perception. Second one, verbs of thinking. Verbs of thinking like think, know, mean, mind. Okay. Like you do not say I am thinking of I am thinking now, I am knowing to speak in English or I am meaning to say this or I am minding a class. Okay. All this we do not use generally for these verbs, that is verbs of perception and verbs of thinking. Next is verbs of possession. verbs of possession like own, have, belong, have, belong, have, belong. Also we have comprise and contain. Okay, verbs of possession. I am owning a house in Ananagar or T Nagar. I am having a dog. I am belonging to a very high caste. I am comprising of this, or I am containing my food in a small little box. So, all these do not come, whatever I spoke just now is all wrong. Okay? So, we do not use these verbs of perception, all these verbs along with present continuous tense, or verbs of thinking or verbs of possession. One more we have, and that also I will explain, and I am going to give you a short exercise after that. Next is verbs of expressing, verbs of feeling, verbs of feelings like love, like, want, wish, desire, hate. Verbs of feelings like love, like, want, wish, desire and hate. Now, we do not say I am loving a girl or I am loving my pet dog, I am liking my dog, or I am wanting this, I am wanting to eat, or I am wishing to have a house, or I am desiring to have a house, or I am hating to speak to you. All these, whatever I said just now, these are errors. We do not use these words for words in present continuous tense form. Then the last one in this is verbs in general, the other verbs. Do not think why should we learn all this, because unless you know this, you will not be able to spot the error. Spotting error is a very important exercise in your competitive exams, and unless you know where, see for example, they may give you a sentence, I am seeing a house, where is the error? You may think why it is correct only, but since I am teaching you now, all these words will not be or will not occur in present continuous tense. Immediately you will have the presence of mind to mark the error correctly. Okay? That is why we are going through this exercise. Next one, verbs in general like look, appear, seem, what else? Affect, tremble, this is resemble. Okay. resemble excuse me, caused, then stand, face, etc. So, we have words like look, seem, appear, affect, resemble, cost, stand, face, etc. Okay, for example, you don't say I am looking at the window, or it is seeming to be different, or she is appearing very sad, or it is affecting her, or they are resembling each other. This is costing too much, or I am standing, it is a standing problem, or she is facing. So, all these words are not used in continuous tense. Is that clear? Now, we are going to work out an exercise and see how the correct sentences, incorrect sentences, that is the wrong, incorrect sentences can be made correct. Okay? Where the error is, we are going to see just now. Shall we? Okay, we are going to work out an exercise now, and I am going to give you all incorrect sentences. You are going to find the error, and then we will see how it can be corrected. Okay? So, based on whatever we learnt just now, that is the present continuous tense or the present progressive tense, I am going to give you some sentences. He is owning a car. This is incorrect. Okay, this is wrong. This he is owning a car, which is the mistake here. Is owning is the fault here. How do you write it? He owns a car. This is correct. Okay, he owns a car. The second one. We are hearing the bell. We are hearing the bell. Which is the mistake here? Yes, you are right. Are hearing is the mistake. Now, this is wrong. How do we recorrect it? We hear the bell. This is correct. Okay. Third one. This house is the third sentence. This house is belonging to me. Okay, where is the error now? This house is belonging to me. Since I taught you where present continuous should not be used, you will definitely mark this is the error, isn't it? So, how do we write this? This house belongs to me. Yes, the next one. I am not having it. I am not having it. This is wrong. And what is the right answer? I don't have it. Okay, I don't have it. Next one. Are you forgetting my name? Are you forgetting my name? Now this may look correct only, but it is wrong. Are forgetting is the wrong one. So how do you write it? Fifth one. Have you forgotten my name? See, are you forgetting my name may look very, very correct, but it is wrong. Grammatically, it is wrong. So, how do you write it correctly? Have you forgotten my name? Okay. Even when you speak or when you spot the error, you have to remember this. Next one. They are not meaning it. They are not meaning it. Are meaning is a progressive tense or the continuous tense. This is the error. How do we write it? They don't mean it. They don't mean it. This is correct and this is also correct. Okay. And one last I will give you. I am having no house. I am having no house. How do you write that in English correctly? I am having no house. So, which is the error? I am having. So, how do you write it correctly? I don't have a house. This is correct. Okay, I am having no house. I don't have a house, or I don't have any house. You can say a house or even any house. Both are correct. Okay, I will just give you one last sentence. This book is containing subject matter. I gave you the exception words, isn't it? Words which are exempted from being used. So, all these words like contain, have, mean, forget, am, belong, here, own, all these are the words which I had already given you. This book is containing subject matter. How do you write that correctly? This is wrong. And how do you write it correctly? This book contains subject matter. Now what is contains? It is simple present tense. So instead of continuous tense, you are using simple present tense. Okay. So I have given you 8 sentences and this is correct. This is wrong and this is correct. Shall we once again read all the sentences? He is owning a car is wrong. He owns a car. We are hearing the bell is wrong. We hear the bell is correct. This house is belonging to me is wrong. This house belongs to me is correct. I am not having it is wrong. I don't have it is correct. Are you forgetting my name is wrong. Have you forgotten my name is correct. They are not meaning it is wrong. They don't mean it is correct. I am having no house is wrong. I don't have any house is correct. This book is containing subject matter is wrong. This book contains subject matter is correct. So I have discussed with you simple present tense and the present continuous tense or the progressive tense and how it should be used. Certain words which I gave you should not be used in this particular progressive tense. That is why all these are wrong and all these are right. So revise well, all this will come in your error spotting.